I came up to the shop to kind of do the door jamb support that goes to the cab mount. So I got my template cut out in metal. Yep. And now I am going to take this piece and we're going to cut straight down and use that flap. I just need this little section all the way down because I need to weld it from here to here as a tab, because that tab is what actually, well, like the inner rocker panel sits on that tab, and that's also how it gets kind of like spot welded to the fender or the quarter panel. Yeah, it gets welded right over there. Bam. So we're gonna get that all dialed in, get this tab made, and then I gotta make one more tab from here for the cap support as well. It's got to come out that way. So we'll make two tabs. This tab there and a tab on the corner side. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'm gonna start. I don't got much time. I'm kind of taking it easy today. We'll probably save like a lot of this work for the rest of the week, and I'm going to try and get as much as I can done in about the next couple hours. Yeah, I work with what I got, and this is what I got to work with, so we'll make it happen. Safety first. We'll see how this goes. Not bad. So you can see I got this lip that I actually made, and then this section which you actually had to have at an angle. So I kind of, I just tacked it, and I'm gonna guess and see if that looks right. And if it looks right, I'm gonna send it. This is all it really takes. There's another piece in there somewhere. There is. Look at that. Another one. And another one. Where is it? I felt it. They keep stabbing me. But I'm going to test this and see if it fits. So she almost fit. I got her where I want to mark her, and I'm gonna test fit one more time. Better fitment. See how it goes. So this is the piece I was working on, so you guys can actually get an idea. I don't want to buy new parts because they don't sell this piece. So I'm literally made that channel because that's where the new rocker panel will sit, and then this piece, the cab mount, gets welded to that side. So when I set it down, it's placed right there. You see that? So that's at like the perfect. That's at like the perfect angle. Yeah, I couldn't ask for a better fitment. And that replaces that piece. Yeah. And then that way I'll have support for this freaking section I have to make right here. Because obviously you realize the seat belt was right here. And there wasn't any support. It literally rusted all gone. So it's gonna nice to have that seat belt back in that spot. It sucks trying to find parts like that because I looked in a lot of the catalogs and I don't see a lot of replacement parts for any of the door jamb spots or like replacement panels. So I kind of figured out, you know, make them myself. If they ain't got them, you make them. And if you can't make them, then find a new job. Verified fixes. The free fix finder service. Well, I got this thing all welded up. I'm gonna finish this up here. This piece. Yeah, after I grind it. I definitely gotta grind it after that. I want it to be looking like a brand new piece. I'm not gonna have any weld marks. This thing's to be crispy. Looking like a brand new piece. So once I clean up all those welds, I am going to clean up. Yep, I'm gonna clean up. Well, I might actually place this in there. I might weld that in there. We'll see. If I can knock this out in a half hour, we'll be alright. I might do it. But that looks like it's gonna be it for tonight. You guys aren't gonna see the finished product, but in the next video, you guys will. Yeah. Maybe. No, I'm just kidding. You will, for sure. Yeah. That thing's hot. I'm gonna have a sip of beer and call the wife and let her know when I'm gonna be home. You guys have a good one. I'm out of here. He gone. Look at that thing. That's a beaut.